You have one chance to catch their attention and make that sale. One opportunity to help them stay productive. Principal Technologies, a third-party technology assessment firm, found that Dell PowerEdge R750 servers with Broadcom PCIe Gen 4 RAID controllers can help you do this. Hands-on tests reveal that this 15G general-purpose server has the power to handle tens of millions of user requests at once in a mixed SAS and NVMe drive environment, so you can grow your user base without the expense of switching to all NVMe drives. Principal Technologies also found that the increased bandwidth in PowerEdge R750 servers with PCIe Gen 4 capabilities could speed applications that stream video, allow end users to import large amounts of data in less time, and let staff access large files more quickly. Help your customers and employees better deal with evolving demands in today's digital era by investing in the latest generation of PowerEdge servers.